Guys, this is India. I am come from Nagaland. Uh, Ma'am, you can say something. Say something.
Okay, so this is a very nice and beautiful park, and the atmosphere and this is very refreshing. And in the morning, this park vibe was very positive. There, nearby we have a Hanuman Mandir, and also we have our the smallest island in India, that is the Umananda River. And one of the best things about this place is is this famous, that is Umananda temple is located nearby, that many visitors come and see this place temple and also spend some time in the park. So this park is especially beautiful in the morning, and especially here the view, you can see the view, show the view, the greenery and calm surroundings, and created a very positive vibe. So many people come here for morning walks, yoga, and enjoy the nature. And I really like this park because it is a clean, spacious, and a perfect spending quality time with family and friends. It is one of my favorite places to relax and feel refreshed. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. सो गाइस, ये देख सकते हैं आप लोग तो इंडिया से हम हैं। तो आप लोग बोलते रहते हैं, कमेंट्स करते रहते हैं, जो इंडिया का व्यू दिखाओ कैसा है। सो दिस इज़ नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया। दिस इज बीकेएस पार्क साइड ऑफ ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर्स।